Hello and welcome back to my channel V Details. Myself Vikash and this channel is all about auto detailing. Today I got this Hyundai Venue coming for minor paint correction and paint protection package. Now this car's record claims that it's 3 months old, but it actually looks like 3 years old, and I'll show you why. Now this car is a good example for those who say my car is brand new and I don't need any protection. Well, believe me, it does. I'll show you why.
Initially, here's the overview of the engine hood panel. It looks pretty good from a couple of feet away except for the fact that it's lacking some gloss and shine. But let's take a deep dive into the paint and see what's really going on in there. Keep in mind that this is a daily drive car. Whoa, that's some serious damage. What you see here is a paint etch defect. That's clearly a bird poop mark. FYI, bird poop contains some sort of chemicals in it. I can't derive what exact chemicals because I'm not a chemist, but I can sure explain how it causes damage to the paint. Let's assume there is a fresh bird poop on one of the panel of your car. It's in liquid form, has an oversurface contamination, and if you clean that immediately, well and good. If left unattended for a couple of days and the sun comes out, it starts to heat it up, the pH shifts high and low and it gets very strong, and that could cause severe damage to the paint itself. It keeps digging and starts to etch the paint. Clearly, what was an oversurface contamination is now a below surface defect. Take a look at this zoomed in shot of the panel. That's pretty bad. Next comes the water spot defects. Take a look at the square shaped light reflection and just look around that light. Hope you see some random irregular shaped spots. These are called hard water spots. The water of course contains some minerals in it, and when the water gets tied up on the surface naturally, it leaves behind these spots, or technically what's known as mineral deposits. They are hard to remove, and the only way is by compounding or in some cases sanding the surface. Look around the reflection of the light when I'm moving the camera. I hope you can spot all those minor swirls and scratches. If your paint isn't protected by any layer over it, it's prone to all these type of defects and many more.
So did you guys look at all those defects? That's because the paint didn't have any protection layer over it. It couldn't resist all those chemicals. And I recommend you guys to protect your paint with either waxes or sealants or ceramic coatings so that you can preserve your paint for a longer period of time. Anyways, I'm going to restore the paint on this Hyundai and protect that with turtle wax spray on ceramic coating, which will give deep gloss and shine, and also will have chemical resistance for up to 12 months. I'll take you through the process and let's get started. Let me grab my rinseless wash spray can and my microfiber towel.
Even though the car was washed thoroughly, I once again clean all the panels spraying some pH neutral waterless wash liquid. I use a clean microfiber towel to wipe the surface. This is to ensure that I'm working on a dust free panel. Assume if there's some dust left on the panel and running my polisher over it, it'll initially contaminate my pad, which can directly affect my polishing results. With my experience, I eventually understood that spending few minutes extra on the preparatory works to avoid the mess is better than spending hours trying to repair the mess. So I double check on the panel I'm going to work is absolutely dust free. The paint on this Hyundai is not so soft and not so hard, it's somewhere in between. So to begin with, I start with medium cutting compound. Since the car is just a couple of months old, there aren't any conventional deep scratches except for those defects I showed in the beginning. I want to remove those defects as well as keep the clear coat on this paint as much as possible. So I decided to start with medium cutting pad and medium cutting compound. If it weren't for those paint etches and hard water marks, a fine polishing alone would get the job done. Anyways, after inspecting the whole car, I understood that the door panels and the side fender panels are free of such defects. So a fine polishing would be enough there, but that's for later. After compounding the whole engine hood panel, it's time to polish. The first step, that was compounding, had removed all the major defects including the bird poop edge, watermarks, all minor swirls and scratches. Imagine the gentleman had brought his car for paint correction after a year or so. The paint edge which I just corrected would have been too deep, far into the clear coat of the paint, that a medium cut compound won't be able to remove it. If by any chance the paint etching had passed through the clear coat and comes in contact with the base paint itself, there won't be much choice left but to have a repaint job or to drive with the defect. Anyways, the engine hood is polished, and take the message from my victim move that the result post polishing is just incredible. Next, I grab my favorite paint protectant, Turtle Wax Ceramic Spray Coating from the Hybrid Solutions lineup. It's blended with SiO2, which delivers great hydrophobicity and ceramic protection that can last up to 12 months. It helps keeping your car look new for a longer period of time. I spray the product on the surface and then gently spread the product with a microfiber applicator pad while making sure I cover every square centimeter. I work section by section, and for application of this product I have divided the engine hood into 2 equal halves. I don't know, but if you had noticed, I had divided the panel into 6 while compounding and into 4 while polishing. After even application of the coating, I grab a clean fresh microfiber towel to remove the excess product from the panel. As you guys can notice, I flip the cloth to a fresh side to buff the panel for the deep gloss and shine. It gives instant glossy and wet look. However, giving it a curing time of 6 to 8 hours will show a significant increase in the shine. I repeat the same process on the other half of the hood as well as all other panels of the car. I then let the paint protectant cure for a few hours before taking it out. Let's take an overview look first. I'm sure you can tell that there's a huge change in how it looks now versus how it looked in the beginning of the video. Well, anyways, let's have a closer look and see what's going on the paint. It looks shiny and glossy now, but here's the closer look. This is the exact spot where we had chemical etching. That is the bird poop etch. Let me focus into the panel. Yeah, right there. There are no spots, no defects, no swirls, no scratches, nothing. The paint is restored and it's been protected to be preserved for a longer period of time.
So I'm done with the hood now. All minor swirls and scratches were corrected. The watermarks were removed. The surface with chemical etching, which was exactly over here somewhere. I don't know where it is now, but because we just corrected that and sealed with the paint surface with Turtle Wax spray and ceramic coating. And that's going to give immense gloss and shine while keeping that chemical resistance for up to 12 months. And I recommend you guys to protect your vehicle's paint with some kind of wax or sealants at least. And that and a lot more coming up on my future episodes of Enhance and Preserve. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.